Hi, in front of me is REALME X7 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings, click on keyboard and input method, choose keyboard and tap on theme. Over here, tap on show more to see all available ones, and when you're done, you can click on one of those images. Choose keyboarders by clicking on the switcher to turn them off or on and tap apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!